Hang on.
What are you doing?
Whoop! Bang!
Oh. Brand spankers.
Talk to me.
This is a Tamiya 124 scale Nissan Fairlady. What, do they have a number for it now? They just call it the Z. In Japan, it's always known as the Fairlady.
RZ34 is the model description.
So there's a Fairlady there.
Yep.
So the Fairlady name has been used since the very first ones.
Yep. So they started what as 240Zs, 260Zs, 280s, 300s, and they went right through effectively until the 90s.
370.
Then the second or the fourth generation come out as 350, which is then upsized to the 370.
Yep.
And now we're at this sucker. And I actually really like the shape of this one.
And it's also the interesting, it's a day glow.
The what?
Day glow yellow.
What is?
So it's not fluorescent, but it's got that, it's close to fluorescent.
Are we unboxing?
No,
is that what
I'm
you're
talking
saying?
about the real car.
Oh, sorry.
No, not this one.
Oh, I thought you were going to say the sprues it in bright yellow. I nearly had a heart attack. Sure.
Oh, really?
Are they sprues in bright yellow?
I don't think so. I'd imagine it'll be in white.
I love it when they're in white because you can put the car whatever color you like.
That's right.
Can't you?
Easier to do. Whether it's a light color or a dark color.
You know?
Mm.
You know what I mean?
I know what you mean.
All right.
Yep.
What else have you got? What else have we got in the model kits?
Well, Tamiya have also re-released a Tyrrell.
A what?
A Tyrrell F1 car.
A Tyrrell F1 car.
003.
But they don't exist anymore.
What do you mean?
Oh. Ooh.
Look at that.
Should we do an unboxing?
We can. I've done a full unboxing.
Is it packaged?
No, it's still loose.
Whoa! I love it when it's loosey goosey.
Oh, I love it when it's loose, eh? All right.
Come on.
Let's have a look. How's this?
I don't know. I'm going to whip the top off.
Look at that.
That is a cool box. Who drove this car?
Jackie.
Oh, Jackie Chan.
He could have. Jackie Stewart, you fool.
Jackie Stewart. Scottish guy.
That's him.
He wears a hat like me sometimes.
So you drove that to the World Championships.
Yeah.
This is the most successful Tyrrell that was ever produced.
More so than the six-wheelers.
Yes, six wheels were just famous because of their design philosophy.
Because they're six-wheel.
Yeah.
This
particular one?
Awesome.
Yeah.
1971 Monaco.
That's right. So Tyrrell actually was using Matras as a privateer, I think, or semi-factory team. And then he had to choose whether or not to continue using a Ford that was doing very well, or the new Matras were going to use a V12, I think it was.
Oh, I do love a V12.
So Tyrrell decided to get someone in and actually design their own chassis. So it started off as the 001.
Yep.
And the 003 is based on the 001. The 002 was actually built for Jackie Stewart's teammate. What's his name again? Sever.
Sever.
Is that how you pronounce it?
Francois? Was it? Sever?
Francois Sever.
Was that it?
That's him.
Yeah. Francois
So that one
Sever.
was the 002. And then after he drove a bit, they had the 003 ready for Jackie Stewart.
Yep.
Now, the different numbers are simply because they were slightly different. They were built to suit the driver's heights. So there's slightly different differences in the length of the chassis.
And Bond didn't come along till 007.
That's right.
I like
But this is a beautiful kit.
I like
really,
the tires.
So this kit is actually dated 1973.
The kit?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
So the molding, all the molds are from 1973.
Wow, they got their money worth out of these molds, haven't they?
They have. So this is
1973.
Yeah.
Wow.
So similar to the
Older
six
than you.
wheeler,
Older than you.
73. No, it's younger than me.
Well, you just meant to say yes.
Oh,
You
yeah,
didn't have
sorry.
to let people know how old you are. Jeez.
I've let it out of the bag.
I know.
It's going to be all these people impersonating me. So they've improved it with photo etch. So the extensive photo etch sheet inside. They've also added wire for the rear mirrors because they're like little stalks hanging out the sides.
Yep.
The original ones are plastic. So the plastic ones are still in there, but you don't want to use them because they're really chunky. And they've also got decals which have been reprinted by Cartograph.
Junkie.
So they make the best decals.
How come it has two rocker covers?
So I think there were two versions. Now there were two versions of this kit as well. The 1972 model actually has a different nose on it.
Ah.
It's got the curved nose, and this has actually got the winning nose, which is that flat.
Does this have a working steering wheel?
Yes.
Does it?
Yeah, most of the 12 scale Tamiyas have working steering.
There you go.
Yeah. So what you've seen is just that shaft with the pinion on the end of it, right? So there is a rack which is molded. So when you turn the steering wheel, the wheels will actually turn. All the suspension works too. So that's a general feature on 12 scale Tamiya kits as well. Working suspension.
I love that.
Mm.
All right. Well, that's
So you would have seen the springs in there, yeah?
Yeah. I just don't. I don't want to. Do you want to dive right in or what? I don't know.
Oh, probably no need to because I've actually done a full unboxing.
So people can go to
Yeah, I'll see
YouTube.
this.
They can go to YouTube and they can
Yeah.
check it out.
Not yet, but
Not
it
yet?
will. It will in the future. If you
in
want to
place.
check out the 12 scale Tyrrell, I've got the video of that either coming out today or over the weekend. That's a beautiful kit too.
That's fantastic.
Yeah, Tyrrell 003, 12 scale.
I love it. Loving it.